Hey guys, Jeff Clark here again. Continuing, actually finishing up uh, chapter 5, finishing up with the topic of dividing polynomials, but we're just going to do by a monomial. That means taking many terms and dividing it by a one-term polynomial, which we call a monomial. I just have two examples I'm going to work out here. Here's one that is actually worked out, and I'll do these two down here. So it's a short video on a topic. You probably only have a few problems that I might have assigned. Here we go. So this is a binomial. It's a binomial. We're not going to do long division, but a binomial. And what you do is just split up the number of terms in the, so in this case, 2 terms, and then put it over each of them over the one denominator. So in other words, 4a over 4ab, so 4a over 4ab, and then 8b over 4ab as well, and then reduce. So reducing is making the a's go away, also the 4's in this case. You're still left with something in the numerator. It's the number 1, so 1 over b. And then in like manner, b's go away, 4 goes into 8 twice, so 2 left in the numerator, all over a, and that is our reduced answer. Similarly, we're going to take 9a squared and then b, and then that's over the 3ab. Subtract 6ab squared, again over 3ab, and plus 3ab over the 3ab. Well, that's going to be 1 here in a moment, that piece right there. So we're going to go and take, let's see, 3 into 9, that's 3. And b's go away and the a's will reduce. So it looks like I'm going to have a 3 and an a because the a's reduce. There's an a here and makes that down to 1. Gets messy when you do this cross canceling, so just be careful. Looks like there's a 1 left over here, which I'm not going to put 1 in the denominator, and a 3 and an a. So this will reduces down to 3a. In like manner, you're going to take 3 into 6's twice. The a's go away, and the b, 1b in the bottom, 2 b's at the top, 1 left over. So subtract, looks like 2b, or not to be, plus 1. This is a 1 right here. So if I haven't made a careless mistake, that's what you'd end up with. 3 terms, that's called a trinomial. 3 terms. Again, each term gets the separate denominator. Reducing. So what I see here that's left, there's a 2 in the top with a 1 down below. 7 goes into 7 once and 14 twice. The y's will go away, and there's 3 x's at the top, 2 at the bottom, so it looks like you'll have a 1x at the top left. The 1 won't need to be written down below. You won't need that. We'll simplify that in a second. All right, the 7 remains down below because there's nothing to reduce the 7 with. All right, so let's see, 1x at the top, 2 x's down below, so that means you're going to have 1 left over down below. And the y's got more at the top, so it appears that's what your reduced fraction is going to be. And here minus, and you're going to be left with a 1 in the numerator when you reduce this. This being the x with the x squared, there's going to be a 1 left in the numerator. You have an x and a y and a 7. So the only thing that I would probably clean up would be the 1 down below. You don't need that. Not necessary, so that looks like the best answer right there. So you're going to have about 12 of these that I think I might have assigned. And you can find a few more examples on the internet if you need it. Okay, so with that in mind, that's all I got for you today. That's 5.6, and we'll see you next time.